You're here to find out what a Bitcoin node is. To give you the information directly, a node is something that somebody can run. It's a computer which speaks to another computer to verify transactions. This is in simple terms. Stay tuned if you want a more detailed answer. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today I'm going to be discussing what a Bitcoin node is. A Bitcoin node is a computer which provides information to another computer by following a set of rules, and these rules dictate what is happening within that node. For example, in the Bitcoin node, Bitcoin's node allows transactions to be verified. Nodes are something that are essential for any crypto asset due to the fact they are crucial on verifying transactions. I just want to put out there, I'm no financial advisor, I'm no tax advisor, I'm no legal advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet with an opinion that thinks is an educator and that thinks is an entertainer. Anyway, back to the topic. Bitcoin has something called a full node. A full node is something which allows peer-to-peer transactions and networks to happen. What do I mean by that? A full node allows me to send a transaction through my node itself to somebody else which can verify it. And this isn't somebody that I know, it's just somebody that's using the same methodology and that's helping to verify transactions on the whole blockchain. Somebody that has a full node is somebody that has actually downloaded the whole blockchain in their hard drive, for example. This is somebody that's actually useful to the whole ecosystem and the decentralization of a crypto asset. Somebody that has a full node, don't forget, is actually helping the anonymity and the decentralization of a crypto asset. I love getting tongue twisted. So the main primary function of a node is also to relay transactions for the miners. Miners then gather all of this and block it, and this verifies and validates transactions. I just want to provide you with a flow of how it actually works. So me sending a transaction or to the blockchain then would verify it. The blockchain would see who is this person or this wallet address that sent this transaction. It would put it out there for all the miners and everybody to see. This is where it's on the public ledger now, it's broadcasted. The broadcast would then want to verify this. The miners would verify, is this transaction something that's happening? They do all their hashes, all the mathematical stuff, they use all their hardware, and this is what all the hardware is all about, like these mining rigs and stuff that they have. This is crunching numbers to verify that transaction. Once that transaction is verified, it would then have confirmations. It would say this transaction did happen, and this would then go back to the person that you sent it to. Therefore, there's a whole trail on the blockchain. One main benefit of having a node is the fact that you don't need to use a third party to do transactions. So if you have your own node, you can really broadcast using your own node. This saves you on a lot of fees that you would normally need to pay. Because having a node is peer-to-peer, this means everybody on the blockchain has a synchronized blockchain and a synchronized amount of transactions. Therefore, this is something that can't be altered. It's excellent. It's such a great technology that should be used and will hopefully be implemented in the future for everything. Especially, in my opinion, something that will oversee the banking system, sadly. But then again, this is something that the future needs. If you found the video any bit informative and it gave you a bit more knowledge, please do pop a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have your own opinions, or if, I don't know, you have some harsh criticism for me, lol. Anyways, do subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time. Take care all. Bye bye. Ha! Here we are once again. We need to stop meeting up like this. Lol. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, do pop a thumbs up. And do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Comment down below if you have anything that you want to say to me, and I will hopefully respond back to you. Let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.